Some came here with dreams to follow. Some came here with nowhere left. Some were searching for tomorrow. Some just needed time to rest. Different roads and different stories, different burdens, different calls. Yet somehow we found each other in a village without walls. We're the village without walls, built by hearts instead of stone, where a helping hand is offered and no one stands alone. From the desert to the mountains, wherever freedom calls, hope will always find a home in the village without walls. A borrowed ring, a shared campfire, someone helping when things break, a quiet prayer, a cup of coffee, kindness given for kindness' sake. Not because we have abundance, but because we've all been there. We know how much a simple blessing shows a stranger someone cares. When the road gets long and lonely, when your strength is running low, look around, the light is shining from more hearts than you may know. We're the village without walls, built by hearts instead of stone, where a helping hand is offered and no one stands alone. Though tomorrow leads us onward and different roads may call, we'll always be connected by the village without walls. Though the miles may lie between us and the seasons come and go, the kindness that we share together is the greatest gift we'll know. If our paths should cross tomorrow or never meet again, the village without walls will live within our hearts.